Welcome to Excellence in Excel, and in this video, this is a part of a video series. We're going to focus and show you some advanced things you can do with Excel. So you probably know about the VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, you know about search tool, you know about drop downs. So all these things are really nice. However, if you just use them for basic functions, it is not that exciting. It is more exciting to create a connected level of formulas all together where you can make something or display like a dashboard or the results from a specific value quickly, and that gives you all a more better understanding of how Excel really works. The goal of Excel is not to check data, it's basically to make Excel analyze all the data and you just get the key tools, the key, what they call the critical success factors, the most important information that you need to know. That's a dashboard, and that's what you really have to do with Excel. So we're going to work on that. We're not going to make something very fancy yet. The goal here is very simple. I want you to realize what you learn, and if you can combine them together, you have something new. So let me show you exactly what we're going to do. So the first thing, let's start with something really simple. We have here like two sheets, and what we're going to do is we're going to first start with what we will call here a very basic style VLOOKUP. And what we're going to do first is we're going to make a list of items. So what we're going to do is we say apples, and then we have oranges, and we have pears, and we have kiwis, and we have melons. Alright, so we have this, and then we can just put in I will just put an item number here, because we're just going to make up as we go. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to make this a nice drop down, and by making this drop down, it's very simple. Is you select all of this, we say this is a fruit list, and this is not case sensitive, so it doesn't matter if you make this capital, or even if you want to say fruit list. And you can see here right now it's probably now two lists. Oh no, it's still the same one. It doesn't see any difference, so it doesn't correct me, so that's fine as well. So how to make this a list? Very simple. You select these, you go here in data, and then we have to search here for a specific item here. Let's see if we can find it. We have here the data validation. We can just click on this one here, and once we did that, we can select here for a list, and then we say source equals, so then we say, just to be consistent, I'll just keep the capital letters in there, fruit list. No, okay, sorry, that's wrong. I'm not allowed to do that. And the reason why I'm not allowed to do that, this is our list already, so we need to put it on here, right? So we're going to do here is a VLOOKUP value. I'm going to put this here in this nice square box, and this will get here. We will assign. So what I did was I want to assign it, but I almost want to assign it on this location, and that's not possible. So we want to assign it here. So we say here data, and data validation. We'll say here list, and we say here equals fruit. To be consistent, I'll just maintain a consistency of capital L and capital F. So we have this, okay. So if I now have a drop down, all right. So you can see here now our fruit list is matching up. So this is the first part. In the next video, I will continue, and then we're going to go more deeper in connecting the VLOOKUP function with it.